Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Organically Ashley. I'm super excited to be taking you along with me in my spiritual holistic journey. So what you guys can expect from my channel is natural content. So I'm a firm believer in using Mother Nature, incorporating Mother Nature into our daily lives. One way we incorporate it is we wash ourselves daily. So what better way than to learn how to make soap naturally using God-given herbs to cleanse ourselves. You can expect to see podcasts and dialogue in how to incorporate medicinal herbs in your everyday life to lead a healthier lifestyle. And overall, just to connect each and every one of you to your inner light. So I'm so excited to take you along this spiritual journey with me. If you want to be a part of this journey, hit that subscribe button. And there's so much to learn that I want to give to the world to live a better, healthier lifestyle and to connect back to nature. It's time that the world comes back to Mother Nature and learns how to live a more meaningful, spiritual, healthier lifestyle. So thank you so much for your time. And for now, enjoy a little clip I put together of me making soap.